Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect a Convertkit sequence to Clickfunnels. This is a great way to automatically send emails to your leads and nurture them through your funnel. On your Clickfunnels dashboard, click on Workspace Settings in the lower left corner. Once that opens, look for Integrations in the menu on the left side. Go ahead and click on Integrations. Here, you will see a list of apps. In the search bar, type Convertkit. Once Convertkit appears, click on it to start the connection. Convertkit is an email marketing tool that works with Clickfunnels to help you manage and automate your emails to leads captured in your funnels. Now, click Proceed. You will need to enter your API key. To get your API key, go to your Convertkit settings. Click your profile logo, select the right option, and head to Settings. From there, go to the Developer Portal. Here, we will add a new platform application. You can name it anything you like. This is just an example. Your API key will appear on the screen. Click Copy to copy it. Now, let's go back to Clickfunnels. Head to Integrations, search for Convertkit, click Key, and paste the API key. Then click Proceed. If you see an error, double-check your details and try again. Otherwise, the connection will go through. We have now connected Convertkit to your Clickfunnels account. With this in place, we can automate our email marketing and keep our audience engaged.